Jeremy Paxman admitted not voting at a recent election, despite criticising Russell Brand for doing the same. He finds political parties unappetising and is tired of tawdry pretences. You should vote, shouldn't you?
Of course you should vote. I mean,
what
look,
do you make of Jeremy Paxman?
Well, I don't know. Look, here's a guy who's, what does he get paid? £1 million or thereabouts, paid for by taxpayers. He lives off politics and he spends all his time sneering at politics. And do you know what? Politics is imperfect. Gary and I were just talking about it. But at the end of the day, it is the way that we decide how you pay your taxes, how we support our hospitals, our schools, whether we go into war or not, how we deal with climate change. And of course it's sometimes unedifying. But this idea that you just can sort of sneer at the whole thing, dismiss everybody as somehow being sort of rogues and charlatans, and say, well, therefore I'm going to wash my hands of the whole thing, I think is a total abdication of responsibility. You know, at the end of the day, I've just had this old-fashioned view, if you want to improve something, get stuck in and get your hands dirty and change it. Don't somehow pretend that you can turn your back on it.